Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, this is a RAV4. So in this video, see, it's a Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to set the e-brake. You pull back on it like that. It's set. And to disengage it, you pull back, push in the button, and pull down. You see that? So you pull up. You can't just push in the button and push down. You can't do that. You have to pull back, then push the button, and then go down. You got to pull back, push the button, go down. That's how you do that. That, my friend, is how you do that. Now, I'm going to show you that this is a Toyota RAV4. And that's just what you got to do. It's how you, see, Toyota RAV4. So it's just how you pad out. It's how you pad out the video. Like it was a minute, and you want it to be, a little bit longer. So you just go out there and you show that it's an actual Toyota RAV4, and so you just push back right there. You can hear it click, 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 and then push back, push that button down, and then release downward. That's how you do that. And up here, it'll actually say brake. See that where it says brake? Now it doesn't. I'm going to engage it. There it is. It says brake right there. Now it doesn't. So it actually has an alert to let you know that the parking brake, the emergency brake, is set. And this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. Alright, that was a great video, I say. We got pine trees, and there we go. So that's a Toyota RAV4. That's how you do that. That's how you do that video. It was a really, really good time. It was a good time doing that video. I could go check the mail now. So you guys have a great day. Respect. We got one circle, two circles, three circles. All right.